Tonight we're going to be installing LED headlights in my Honda Pioneer 1005. These are the Oxilam LED lights. So special shout out to them for sending these quickly and hooking us up with this product for the Pioneer. This is a 2023 model, but not sure exactly when they changed the front end, maybe 2021, but these are the 9008/H13 bulbs. So pretty quick plug and play. To install these, you just go to the back side of the headlight housing, and you got this cover, which I've already pretty much popped off, but just to show you, you can put a screwdriver or something behind here and just pry. It just pops right off, and then you can access the back side of the original headlight and twist that out, and we'll get the new ones in. This is low beam with the factory headlights, and this is high beam. You see it really doesn't make a huge difference at all. Unpackaging these came with a nice set of cotton gloves. I don't know that I'll use those, but instruction manual and the bulbs. So we got 2 chips here, 2 there. I think this will be a significant improvement over the stock halogen lights. It should be a whole lot brighter. They claim 600% brighter, so we'll see. In my opinion, these are well worth the money. This is just on low beam. I mean, high beam barely even makes a difference because these are so bright. So definitely